Oh my god, man! Oh. Welcome to Majestic High! Woo! I got my new shoes on. Hello, what is happening? Today we are heading to the Falls of Falloch. This is actually located just north of Loch Lomond. It's very easy to find. If you want to find it, just type in Falls of Falloch into Google and the address will appear. I'll put a link down below anyway, so it's even easier for you. We're here to help. We're here to help, man. We're here to help and explore. Our first task is to actually find the Falls of Falloch. Well, it was to find the Falls of Falloch, but we literally just parked up 2 seconds ago and we found it. It's right here and it looks incredible. We're here already. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Today we've got this with us. It's a blow up raft, so we're going to blow it up. We're going to go for a paddle in the Falls of Falloch, just because why not? I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? Right, so I'm just about to go into the water. I just blew this up, took me about 15 minutes to blow it up. Hopefully I don't fall out it. I really hope I don't lose this GoPro. I really hope I don't lose this GoPro. What's coming in? The water's coming in! Forget to subscribe. Oh, it's taking me away. Push me, push me, push me. Maybe push me now.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world.
I'm gonna go back, man.
You going down there?
Just let me go, I'll go with it. I'll go with it, I'll go with it.
I'm stuck in the rock. You're going under there, definitely going under.
Well, that was the Falls of Falloch. I got a bit wetter than most people get when they come here, but I would recommend it. Come and take some photos, maybe even go for a swim if you fancy it. But as always, people, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Enjoy this cinematic footage. See you next time.